Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can actually translate page to other languages. So this tutorial will be pretty simple, pretty easy. It will not take not even 2 minutes of your time, so make sure that you will follow me step by step until the end, and focus please with me so you don't miss anything. Now we'll go ahead and open WordPress dashboard, the Slack shop, and for those who doesn't know how to open it, go to wordpress.com/wp admin and log in your username and password, or email and password. So after you open this page, go ahead and let's make a post first in some language, because we don't have any post, so we can't really translate anything. So let's come here, let's go to BuzzFeed, and let's find something. Okay, let's copy this, and just like so, we go back to here, we add it, we paste it, and we keep it that way. I think that's good. Okay, that's good. Or wait, let's remove this, add here, and let's add it something like that, that will be looking better. So now we have to add the title, which is gonna be the same title as this title, like that. And now let me just go back here and add this title in here. So now what I'm gonna do is publish it, and here we can view the post. Here you can see the post, and this is English, of course, as you can see. Now how you can actually translate this page? Basically what you have to do, it's pretty simple. Click right and then come here and translate to any language. For example, here we will be translated to French, so we will be translating this page to French, so it is translated to French. You can choose other languages from here. I don't know, Albanian maybe, I don't know how it will look like. You can do whatever you like. English back, Dutch if you want to, and a lot of option in here you can translate using this option. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually translate your page in WordPress. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.